Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting and cutting-edge topic, creating your first AI chatbot. Are you ready to delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and chatbot development? Let's get started. So, what exactly is an AI chatbot? Well, it's a computer program designed to simulate human conversation, and it's becoming increasingly popular across various industries. Creating your first AI chatbot can be a rewarding experience, both intellectually and potentially financially. The first step in creating your AI chatbot is to understand its purpose. What do you want your chatbot to do? Is it for customer service, information retrieval, or just for fun? Identifying the chatbot's purpose is crucial because it will guide your development process. Once you've determined the purpose, it's time to choose the right platform or framework. There are many tools available for chatbot development, such as Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, and IBM Watson Assistant. Select one that suits your needs and start building your chatbot. Now, let's talk about training your chatbot. AI chatbots require data to learn and improve their responses. You can feed your chatbot with pre-existing data or use machine learning techniques to make it learn over time. The more data and training your chatbot receives, the better it will become at understanding and responding to user queries. The next crucial step is integration. You need to integrate your chatbot into the platform or system where it will be used. This might involve working with APIs and SDKs to ensure seamless interaction with users. User experience is paramount. Customize the design and interactions of your chatbot to make it user-friendly. Remember, the goal is to provide a conversational and helpful experience for your users. Marketing your chatbot is essential for success. Promote it on various platforms, and showcase how it can solve problems or make life easier. You can use social media, blogs, and even other chatbots to create a buzz. As with any business venture, customer service is crucial. Ensure your chatbot responds promptly and accurately to user queries. Continuous improvement is vital, so monitor its performance and gather user feedback to make necessary enhancements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can embark on the journey of creating your first AI chatbot. It's an exciting field with limitless possibilities, and with dedication and creativity, you can achieve remarkable results. Remember, building a chatbot takes time, patience, and learning from your mistakes. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey into chatbot development today and unlock the potential of this innovative technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time.